Want to add custom code in Webflow? There are 3 simple ways to do it: site-wide, page-specific, or for a single element. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do each one. So, let's start with the first method, adding code to your entire site. This is perfect for things like Google Analytics, custom fonts, or site-wide CSS and JavaScript. Here's how to do it. First, prepare your custom code and copy it. Next, go to Project Settings and click on the Custom Code tab. If it's CSS, paste it in the head code section. If it's a script, paste it in the footer code section. Finally, click Save and Publish. And that's it. This method ensures your custom code runs across your entire website. Super useful for global changes. But what if you don't want the code applied to every page? Maybe you only need it on a landing page or a specific service page. That's where the second method comes in, adding code in page settings. Here's how. First, copy your custom code. Click on Pages in the left panel and find the page you need to modify. Click the settings icon, then scroll to the bottom. Paste your CSS in the head code section and scripts in the footer code section. Click Save and Publish. This method is great for keeping your site organized and ensuring code only runs where it's needed. Now, let's say you want to apply custom code to just one element or section. Maybe an interactive widget, a third-party form, or custom animations. The best way to do this is by using Webflow's Embed code feature. Here's how. First, copy your custom code. Open the navigator and select the element where you want to add the code. Click the plus add button, scroll down and find the embed code option. Drag and drop it into your selected element, then paste your code inside. Click Save and Publish. And just like that, your custom code is now applied to that specific element without affecting anything else on your page. So now you know 3 ways to add custom code in Webflow, whether you need it site-wide on a single page or just for a specific section. Each method has its purpose, and choosing the right one can make your website more powerful and efficient. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe for more Webflow tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. I'd be happy to help. See you in the future video.